from today on to join hands with schools like Kampala Schools for Physically Handicapped to see that we had a brick to the development of this nation through the education sector, and especially considering the differently abled people.
I encourage the parents, guardians, and caretakers to continue participating in school activities and events, or even visit the children as often as possible. Personally, I pledge to continue supporting the Kampala School for the Physically Handicapped, starting with the dormitory which we built about 13 years ago. I understand it needs refurbishment.
Obulema si buteesobola. Disability is not inability.
N'abazadde ne society nanga balowooza nti okuteeka ssente mu kintu ng'ekyo oba mu baana abo obanga oyonoona boonoonyi, kale n'osanga nti abaana baffe ebiseera bingi tebafuna obuyambi obumala okusobola okusoma n'okweyongera mu maaso.